welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the girls' bedroom. So I'm gonna be going through a bunch of clothes, seeing what I can declutter, what I can organize, send to the thrift store, send to my cousin, and then what I'm gonna save for Ava as a hand-me-down. Wanted to bring you guys along with me today. I got on some cozy Christmas pajamas. I'm gonna put on some Christmas music, and I'm really gonna just get the tone set and get cleaning in here. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this.
We're making progress. So this bag is going to the thrift store. This is here is for my cousin, and this is what I'm going to be saving for Ava.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.